Hello traders, welcome to KinFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola Kin. I am daily instructor. So guys, in this video I want to tell you the easy way you can use to cash spike in the market, a long time spike, you understand? So I'm going to tell you how to do this without using any indicators. It just requires only one technical tools and you yourself, you understand? So markets move in a trend, uptrend or downtrend, and this is boom 1000. When the spike is up on, that means the market is in uptrend, so that is when you can cash your spike. So how do you do this? You go to 5 minute time frame. If you want to do this, you can also apply this on higher time frame, you understand? So I'm just doing this for the beginners, like people that have small accounts, you understand? So when you get to 5 minute time frame and you declare that the market is buying, that is, the market is in spike mode, what do you do and how do you join this spike mode, and how do you catch the spike for a long time on 1 minute time frame? You tap on your screen, you come to this place, this tool, you click on it. After clicking on it, search for Fibonacci. Is on my own favorite tools here, but if you have not used it before, you won't find it there. Just click on this plus button. Click on this plus sign here, then come down, you will see Fibonacci retracement. Just click on it. So find a spike, immediate spike that just happened. Let's assume we enter this market when this spike is here, so this particular spike. Then you withdraw your Fibonacci from the beginning of that spike to the end, you understand? So let me show you the settings of my Fibonacci. Let me delete this horizontal line, it's not part of the stuff. So this Fibonacci, you can see that this Fibonacci is different from the one you have for your chart. It's because I've worked on it, I've edited some figures there. So let me show you the settings already, so that you can also do the same if you wish, but it doesn't matter. So you come to the levels here. So I have deleted some level. This is just the level I leave to the indicator, you understand, the tools rather. So I leave the level 0.5, 0.6, 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, and my core level here is the 0.5 and the 0.68. that is where the working come from, you understand? You can do your own tool like that if you wish, but if you don't wish, just know that we are using 50 and 61.8, you understand? So once you draw your Fibonacci tools like this, you will now go back to where you pick the tools, this place, you understand? So click on it again, find a rectangle tools. This one I already have it on my favorite object, but if you have not have it, just click on the plus sign as I explained the other time. Just find it, rectangle, you can see it here, click on it, then draw this between the 50 and a 618 of Fibonacci, you understand? So just draw it. So after you have drawn it, just go to 1 minute time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. So after you have drawn it, you can delete the Fibonacci, you understand? So just delete the Fibonacci, then go to 1 minute time frame. Anytime the market enter, the price come back, it was spike that happened, that you draw this Fibonacci. Remember, if you want to draw the Fibonacci, make sure that you have been seeing some sign of retracement when the spike happened, that is, price has been pushing back when the spike happened. Go back to 1 minute time frame. When you see a price coming close to that box you draw, just enter for buy. You can see that immediately price, just instantly price come to that level, spike begin to happen. How long the spike is, you can see it immediately, price come back to that 50 to 618 Fibonacci level, the spike begin immediately. You understand? Let's find another example. So we are going to use this for crash too, so that you can know that it's work. So, and take note of this, make sure you take your profit anytime the market gets to the eye of the spike. That is where the spike end before the retracement begin. Once it touches the eye, close the trade. You understand? That is where you assist the trade. So after you have assist the trade, you find another opportunity. How do you find another opportunity? Check for the next spike, repeat the same process. You understand? Draw the Fibonacci from the beginning of that spike to the end of the spike. You understand? So draw the rectangle shape, pick the rectangle, draw it between, delete the Fibonacci, then go back to 1 minute, then go and look for the box. You can see the same thing happen again. As the price come to that Fibonacci level, spike happen immediately, instantly. You understand? So it can fail sometimes, you understand? So nothing is 100% in the market, but it works. Out of 100, you will see 80 successful trade. You understand? You know what I mean? And this is spike, not normal trading, so it's very safe. It's a low risk strategy. You understand? It's a low risk strategy. You can use it to raise a small amount of money. You understand? So let's look for one more example under this boom, then we move to crash. You can see that after the spike happened from there, you come back to 5 minutes again, you repeat the same process for the spike that just happened again, from here to here. So you bring out the rectangle, you draw it again as usual. Sorry. Sorry, let me delete this and redraw it. I think okay, let me pick the tools again. So so delete the Fibonacci after you have successfully drawn that. So go back to 1 minute. You can see immediately spike market come back to that box, that Fibonacci level, spike upon immediately. These strategies work, you understand? So I don't just come up with a video. I used to verify that the strategy I drop under this channel. Any strategy you pick under this channel is valid, you understand? So it's working perfectly. We have tested it and test run it before publishing it under this channel. So we don't just come up with a strategy. So let's go to the let me look for a sample, the one that fails, you understand, so that you can know how to get yourself out of it, you understand? So I think this one fails. So the spike begin from here, it end here. You draw this out, So let's go to 1 minute, delete the Fibonacci. Let's go to 1 minute. You can see that when when price come to the box, you understand, the spike happen like 2 times, then price begin to fall. That means it tells you that the trend is about to change, you understand? So in this case, once you see like 3 candle below the level and spike doesn't happen, just assist the trade, you understand? You won't have much lost. So that is what I want to confirm. Then let's go to crash so that we can find the same it requires the same process, where the spike happen in crash now is going to be down. So that is the difference. You can see here the spike begin from here, it end here. It doesn't really come back to the, let me see, it doesn't really touch well, so don't worry about that. So look for another one. So just let me see, this spike begin from here, it end here. Okay, it work for this. So you repeat, you draw this line out, you repeat the same process, then go back to 1 minute, delete the Fibonacci, then go back to 1 minute. You can see as price come back to that level, what happened is spike happen. So that is just it. So guys, go back to your chart, do some back testing, you understand? So demonstrate the strategy before you put it on the live.